not a lot of people on the street, so the sense is that everybody is worried, but everybody's
You might want a cloth, just in case that she pukes on you.
Slip down.
Feeling around the city.
You got your family and friends
Down for a second.
what you know.
Exactly, and also saying how much is the media, the international media, saying about it, because there is also this discussion about how international media are overblowing or not the situation. It's a very difficult situation, of course, but being Mexico, the center of the ground zero of the current crisis, that's also a part of the conversation.
So Dr. Wong, wow, paging, paging Dr. Wong, paging Dr. Wong. Wow.
Say hi to Daddy. She's working from her
Daddy.
computer, and she was telling me that even in her workplace,